Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Natasya Kusuma Putri.
My name is Silvia Nurstiya Pramana.
And we are from Mr. Bambang class for English for Communication 1.
We want to share about how to make and handle complaints.
Complaints happen every day. When a customer makes a complaint, it is usually for a good reason or genuine concern. They usually have made a purchase that did not meet their expectation, a product, service, or maybe the combination of the two. In the customer service industry, we cannot avoid complaints. We must take care of the customer by listening to the complaint and resolving it to ensure a happy customer.
Customers want to know someone is listening and they are understood. And they are hoping you are willing to take care of the problem to their satisfaction. No matter what the situation is, when a customer brings a complaint to your attention, even if they do it in a less than desirable way, be thankful. Moreover, we must realize that improper handling of a customer complaint can be costly to the business.
Here are 5 strategies that will help you to handle a customer complaint in a smooth and professional manner. First, stay calm. When a customer presents you with a complaint, keep it in mind that the issue is not personal. He or she is not attacking you directly, but rather the situation at hand. Second, listen well. Let the irate customer blow off steam. Do not interrupt.
3. Acknowledge the problem. Let the customer know you hear what he or she is saying. If you or your company made a mistake, admit it. If you did not make a mistake, then it is a misunderstanding. Simply explain it to the customer. 4. Get the facts after listening. Take the initiative in the conversation. And the last is 5. Offer a solution. This happens only after you have sufficient details. One thing to keep in mind: know what you can and cannot do within your company's guidelines.
Yeah, that's true.
Osha, how is my order about that batik shirt? It's been a while.
Oh, your package is ready. And here it is. Please check it first. And if you see there's any wrong, tell me as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you. Osha, can you see this? I ordered for size L, but why it became so small like this? I've been waiting for long from December, but why does it make me disappointed?
What's wrong with your shirt?
I ordered my batik on size L, and the color was blue. And I was really check my order to your line admin, and that wasn't wrong. But as you can see, the batik is so small and the color so different, black.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Sylvie. I've never want to disappoint you like this. Can you give me your confirmation order? I will check it, and if this was our fault, I will change your batik shirt with the new one, more expensive and better than you have ordered before, and you don't have to pay for it. Is it okay?
Okay. Here's my confirmation order.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for your Tasya.
Okay, I will call you as soon as possible.
Tasya.
Hi Sylvie, it's me. I'm so sorry. Your order was right and my employee was wrong. Your goods was swapped with the others while packing. I'm so sorry. I will send you the new one to you this day and arrive to you as soon as possible. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Thank you for your response. I really appreciate it.